Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to move your files from Google Drive to OneDrive. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open a new browser tab and navigate to myaccount.google.com. Sign into your Google account using your credentials. This will give you access to all your account settings and data management tools, which is exactly what we need for transferring your files. Once your Google account dashboard finishes loading up, you'll need to access the data management section. Look at the left-hand menu and click on Data and Privacy. This section contains all the tools you need to manage, download, and control your Google account data. After clicking on Data and Privacy, scroll down through the page until you locate the Tools section. Here you'll find various options for managing your information. In the Tools section, you'll see an option labeled Download Your Data. Click on it to proceed. This will redirect you to the Google Takeout page, which is Google's service for exporting your data. Once you're on the Google Takeout page, you'll notice a comprehensive list of all the data stored within your Google account, including Gmail, photos, calendar, and much more. Since we're only focusing on moving your Google Drive files, start by clicking the Deselect All button at the top. This will uncheck everything, giving you a clean slate to work with. Now, scroll down through the list of data types and look for Google Drive. Once you find it, make sure to put a check mark next to this option. This tells Google that you only want to export your Drive files and nothing else. After selecting Google Drive, continue scrolling down and click on the Next Step button. This brings you to the configuration page where you'll set up how you want to receive your Google Drive files. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Transfer To. Click on it and select Send Download Link via email. This option is convenient because Google will email you a direct download link once your export is ready, so you don't need to keep the browser tab open. Scroll down further and you'll see options for file type and size. Here you can choose your preferred file format and specify the maximum size for each archive file. If you have a large amount of data, Google will split it into multiple files based on the size you select. Choose the settings that work best for you based on how much data you're moving. Once you've configured everything, click on Create Export. Now you'll need to wait while Google processes your request and prepares your files for download. Depending on the size of your Google Drive, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. Google will send you an email notification when your export is ready. When you receive the download link in your email, simply click it and download all your Drive files to your computer. Once the download is complete, head over to OneDrive, log into your account, and upload all the files you just downloaded. And that's it, you've successfully moved your files from Google Drive to OneDrive. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.